Hi there Internet, Brian James at Micro Four Thirds guy with you once again. Been a bit of a break, admittedly. There's lots to tell you about that was in a different video. But it's finally happened. OM Digital Solutions have finally told us what their product line is going to be instead of being called Olympus. Join me in a few seconds and find out what it is. Roll title. Well, hi Internet, Brian James at Micro Four Thirds guy with you once again. And as I say, OM Digital Solutions have finally released what they're going to be calling Olympus from now on. And it's been a bit of a non-secret secret for a long time now, ever since OM Digital Solutions came into being. And they've had a big video being released to show us the new product lineup that they're going to be doing. Lots and lots of promise. And I'm totally impressed, to tell you the truth. Let's go about the name first of all. OM Digital Solutions are going to be putting out the cameras as OM Systems. Wonderful. OM Systems, that's imaginative. But it's good, it's still descriptive, it keeps us in the ballpark of what we were. But it's a bit confusing now, because if you are a pen camera user, then pens which weren't an OM system, because OM's OM system, a pen is now an OM. And an OM isn't necessarily a pen, because it could be an OM as well, but a pen will be an OM. I'm lost. You'll sort it out yourself. I'm sure you'll sort it all out yourself. But really, is this it? Is this what we waited all this time for, to be told that it's going to be OM Systems? Oh well. And the cameras are still going to be the same. Now, mentioning cameras, that was a bit of a damp squib, really, wasn't it? It was... They've shown you a camera but didn't let you see too much of it. In fact, not much of it at all. And what they did let you see was something of a mismatch between an EM1X and an EM1 Mark III. So does that make it slightly lower than the current EM1X? In which case, is it something like an EM5X, which would be an EM5 Mark III with a fixed battery grip? Or EM1X Mark II? I've got that there, is that right? EM1X Mark II, yes, EM1X Mark II. Whichever way it was a bit of a non-entity, really. You know, it's a little bit like having putting a carrot on a stick to get people's interest. You know, you put the carrot on the stick to attract them. Well, this isn't so much using the carrot, but just using a little bit of green stuff on the top. They couldn't be bothered putting the whole carrot out to try and entice us. You just put a little bit of a green bit on the top. We've learned nothing. There's nothing really been given over to impress us, and this is one of the worries that I have. Is it all smoke and mirrors? Is it just making publicity for the sake of it? Are they trying to build something up for the new release? In which case, they haven't really impressed me on this. I would have liked something a little bit more substantial, or nothing at all. So we'll see how it goes. Overall, very unimpressed with the video. I don't have any problems with Olympus. I'm still going to stay very much as an Olympus user, because I think Olympus cameras are fantastic, and the the OM system cameras will be equally as good. I've got no doubts about that. But from a marketing point of view, underwhelmed. What do you think? Leave a comment below if you've seen the video. Leave a comment below as to if you think that it's a good thing, a bad thing, what you think the camera is going to be. Leave me a little comment as to what you think of the new name. Does it put you off the idea of owning what we see currently as an Olympus camera, or does it make you feel comfortable about the future that you're going to carry on using Olympus? Let it all go down below. Leave a comment. Once again, if you've enjoyed this, then don't forget to like the video, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. And I'll see you in a future video. Bye bye.